Not from space.
Well, greetings, LegoLand Florida Resort! My name is Mark Osmos, avid explorer of the Lego Galaxy, which is in fact a limitless frontier where both past, present, and future of all Lego space exists together at once. Now, there are numerous intergalactic spaceports throughout the galaxy, which are launching pads for thrilling adventures. They serve as arrival and departure hubs for fellow travelers, training facilities for our cadets before they journey on their space exploration missions, and bases for very important missions. In fact, here at LegoLand Florida Resort, a brand new intergalactic spaceport has been constructed in the heart of the Lego Galaxy! It is known as Spaceport 885. In fact, that's how I came to find you all here today. I traveled through that spaceport, actually. Now, my fellow Earthlings, not only will you be the first ones to hear the name, but you will also catch a glimpse at this brand new, never before seen, space-themed family roller coaster, which, I might add, is indoors. Yes, indeed. Coming in early 2026, introducing Galacticoaster! Now, you are the very first humans to hear this news, but we do hope that you will join us for another special media event over the holidays, where you will get an even closer look at Galacticoaster, which combines creativity, quick thinking, and thrilling surprises, where we are going to need your assistance, cadets, because you will help us on this unforgettable mission and join us alongside our spaceport heroes, Olivia, Biff, and Nova, to help save Spaceport! Now, we'd love to learn a little bit more about Galacticoaster, so please join me in welcoming up here to the stage Merlin Entertainment's Director of Communications for North America, Julia Strada!
Thank you very much. What do you guys think? Thank you all for being here for Brick or Treat, to experience it, to share it, to cover it, and more importantly, to see this. You are the very first in the world to hear Galacticoaster name. You are the very first in the world to see this visual behind you. Before California and everybody else, I will say that this is a $90 million investment that Merlin Entertainments is making into both Galacticoaster coming to LegoLand California Resort and LegoLand Florida Resort, opening in early 2026. We are taking the creative arm of Merlin Entertainments, Merlin's Magic Making, and the Lego Group, and we are combining it to create this incredible, stellar ride that will take you through Lego past, present, and future, using the imaginations of our children and our families, building upon this together to create memories that will last a lifetime. On Monday, we will be sending out video of the track installation for both parks so that you'll be able to see it going in. You'll be able to hear from our project leaders from Merlin's Magic Making. And that's going out Monday, but you're here first, so you're seeing it first. So we wanted to give that to you as a thank you for being here, as a thank you for your support. And we hope that you come back for our holiday events, where we will be giving you another stellar surprise, maybe. And we'll learn a little bit more about Galacticoaster as we move forward. So join us for that. Thank you very much for being here. I hope to see you at Monster Skytacular tonight. We'll see the fireworks over Lake Eloise, and thanks for being here.
One more round of applause for Julia Strada, please. Thank you so much for that, Julie. That is so exciting. And I can't wait to launch into the Lego Galaxy with all of you aboard Galacticoaster!